studies the fourth lesson, the climate of in India. Generally, the people are spoke the two words. The first one, weather and climate. Is a little difference between the climate and the weather. The first of all, the weather is a short term. Weather is a short term, but climate is a long term. Long time means the 10 to 30 years. Weather is a changes is occurred. Yesterday the temperature are high. The today the total the rain, total the weather is cloud. So the weather is changes, but climate is no changes in climate. Weather is short term, the climate is a long term. The climate is changes, is no changes, the weather is changes. And elements of climate and weather. Elements of climate and weather. First of all, the sunshine and temperature and clouds, precipitation, humidity and condensation. These called the elements of climate and weather. First of all, I repeat: sunshine, temperature, the clouds, precipitation, humidity and condensation. The total elements of climate and weather. And next, climograph or climatograph. Climograph or climatograph. Explain maximum, minimum temperature and rainfall for the year is called the climograph. Explain maximum is high and minimum low. The temperature and the rainfall is called explain the climograph or climatograph. Next, which factor influence the Indian climate? Indian climate influence of factors. Influence of factor of climate is very important in SSC to SSC exam. The 4 marks question, the first question, the first point, the longitude to distance. Longitude and distance. For example, longitude and distance. For example, the earth is divided by the equator, and 0 to 23 the tropical, and 23 and half to 66 and half the polar temperature, and 66 and half 90 polar region. When we go to move on equator in north and south, the temperatures are decreased. Equator, the temperatures are decreased. Equator and temperature decrease in move to north to south and equator, the temperatures are decreased. The India is divided. India, the Tropic of Cancer is pass away for India. The Tropic of Cancer is 23 and a half east latitude, and the Tropic of Cancer, the South India is a tropical zone and North India is a temperate zone. And second one, the land and water relationship. Land and water relationship. Land and water. Land is quickly heat and quickly cool, and water slow heat, slow cool. For observe in summer. In summer, the afternoon 2 p.m. the land is very heat, but after 7 o'clock land is cool. So the land is quickly heat, quickly cool, but water is so slowly heat, slow cool, because the water get heat so much, lot of time are required, lot of time. So the water is slow heat and slow cool. The land is quickly heat, quickly cool. So the winds are blowing land to water, water to lands. Land to water, water to land. And next one, relief and altitude. Relief, altitude and height. when we go to up into 1000 meters, when we go to up into the 1000 meters above, the temperatures are decreased 6.4 degrees or temperatures are decreased. When we go to up into 1000 meters, the how many degrees temperature decrease? 6.4 temperatures are decreased. For example, in peak summer, the hill station is very cool because it's located in Aili. Is located in Aili. For example, Simla is located 2200, so it's very cool. And Simla and Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet and Udakamandalam or Booty is the example of hill station. Is peak summer is very cool in the hill station, especially the rich people or common people go to summer to go to the hill station. Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet is the relief and altitude. And fourth one, upper air currents. Upper air currents. Upper air currents. In Indian climate, the Indian climate affected by the upper air currents. In India, blowing upper currents name jet streams. Name jet streams. The jet streams are formed in 25 northeast latitude. 25 north latitude is formed jet stream. The jet stream, the speed of jet stream in different for summer 110 and winter 184. The speed of jet stream is difference between summer and winter. Winter is 184, summer 110. And jet stream formed, for example, jet stream formed. The surrounding places, the near places, the total is cloud formation and cloudy formation and is very cool, and the total is a rainfall or get. And what? The jet stream formed, the total near the places, the cloudy and is very cool and high rainfall. So the Indian climate influence factor, the four latitude and distance and land water relationship. Third one, relief, altitude and height. The fourth one, upper air currents. And next I am telling about the topic in India seasons. First of all, winter. In winter, the starting November and January or February. Especially in India, North India is a less than 10 centigrade temperatures recorded in winter. Less than 10 centigrade temperatures recorded in winter, and the South India less than 20 degrees centigrade temperatures are recorded. And especially in the Mediterranean disturbances cause rainfall in the North India. In Rabi season, the wheat cropping growing, the use of the rain in Mediterranean disturbances cause rainfall to useful for the wheat crop. Wheat growing in Rabi crop season. Rabi crop season is growing on wheat. This is winter. And next, the summer. In summer it started March and April and May, the summer season. In summer in Delhi and other parts of India, it got 40 centigrade are recorded in temperatures in Delhi and other part of India. In Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, in summer the art winds are blowing. This called, the art winds name is Loo. Art winds name Loo is blowing Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Next, the mango showers. The mango showers in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana in May. What is the useful of mango showers? The ripening of mangoes is only the May. That is called the mango showers, useful for the ripening of mangoes. This is the summer season and rainy season. In India, the farmers and total depend on the rainfall. So the rainfall. The Indian climate, the rainfall coming to the monsoon. This is Indian climate is a total depend on monsoon. Monsoon word derived for monsoon derived from Arabic word mausam. Mausam means monsoon. In India, the two types of monsoons are blowing. The first one, the southwest monsoon, and second one, northeast monsoon. The southwest monsoon, first of all, I am telling about the southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon blowing the time June to October mid. June to October mid. The southwest monsoon reached first in India, Andaman, May last week, and June first week reached Kerala, and June 4th and 5th week, and the total 4th and last week the monsoon spread. This is called onset of monsoon. What is mean onset of monsoon? The monsoon spread in June last week throughout the country is called onset of monsoon. The southwest monsoon received high rainfall in India. High rainfall. The northeast monsoon blowing November and December is only highest received. Only the Coromandel coast received on high rainfall. Only the Coromandel coast. Which city Coromandel coast? The Chennai or Madras or Tamil Nadu received on high rainfall for the northeast monsoon. The total how many monsoon? Southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. Southwest monsoon June to October, northeast November, December. Which rainfall? Which Coromandel coast received high rainfall? Which monsoon? Northeast monsoon or retreat monsoon. And next of all, the global warming. The next topic and global warming. What is mean global warming? What is the meaning of global warming? The day by day the temperatures are increased. The temperature are increased day by day. That is called global warming. The first of all, the world the facing the present problem global warming. What is mean global warming? The day by day temperatures are increased that is called global warming. And another topic AGW. AGW means anthropogenic global warming. Anthropogenic means is the human beings activities. The global warming are increased. What is the main causes of global warming? What is the main cause of global warming? Cutting down the trees. Next, the fossil fuel, burning of fossil fuel, coal, petrol, diesel. And third one, electronic appliance, AC and refrigerator. And next one, the pollution. Increased pollution, heavy vehicles are used. And in India, the 2/3 people are used vehicles. So in vehicle, the pollution are increased. So this is the causes of the global warming. What is mean global warming? The day by day temperature are increased by the global warming causes cutting down the trees. Next, burning of fossil fuel. And third one, electronic appliance, AC and refrigerator. And fourth one, the pollution. This is the global warming. What is mean global warming? The day by day temperature are increased. AGW, anthropogenic global warming. Next topic, greenhouse gas effect. Greenhouse gases effect. Example of greenhouse gases. Example, CO2 and methane. What is the example of greenhouse gases? CO2, methane. What is the main danger of greenhouse gases? The sun. The earth received on sunshade and the sunshade and the sunshade to receive the reflected by the heat. Daily the sunrise or sunshade that received by the earth surface and automatically the reflected by the heat. But in the atmosphere the CO2 and methane percentage the reflected percentage are decreased. So on the earth the temperatures are increased. What is the greenhouse gases example? Carbon dioxide, methane. The sun received on the sunshine received on the earth's surface. The earth to reflect the heat by the atmosphere, but the CO2 and methane percentage increase. It do not reflected by the heat. So on the earth the temperatures are increased. This is the effect of greenhouse gases effect. So all the nations to reduce of greenhouse gases effect and attending to meet conference in 2013 the Poland and Warsaw, but did not any agreement not implemented for by the conference. Which conference? The greenhouse gas are reduced or decreases to conduct a meeting in 2013 Poland and Warsaw, but any agreement did not implementation of the meeting. So the greenhouse gas example methane and carbon dioxide. And next the climate changes. When the temperatures are increased and CO2 percentage increased, the climate are changes. Example, some places, for example in India, some places is received on high rainfall or floods are coming. Some places received on less rainfall or low rainfall is common drought or famine are occurred. What is mean climate? For example, some places in India high rainfall, some places high rainfall the cause of floods, some places less rainfall is drought, and commonly the rains are occurred only rainy season, but after climate changes in summer the rains, in winter hot winds. So the climate are changes by the cause of global warming. What is mean global warming? The temperature day by day increased and also the climatic changes. What is mean changes? In rainfall is in summer, in winter high temperature recorded, in rainfall hot winds blowing, and also the some places give on high rainfall, some places are low rainfall. So the floods are, some places faced a problem floods and some places drought. So this is the climate changes. The what is mean global warming? The day by day temperatures are increased. What is mean climate changes? What is mean climate changes? Some places are high rainfall, some places less rainfall, and the rains are in summer, and in winter the hot winds blowing. So the total changes in climate changes. And in 10th class in exam, this lesson, the climate of India, is very important lesson for the first paper in 10th class social studies. This is one in textbook, the 4 marks question. What is the which factors influence the Indian climate is very important. And another question, 2 marks question, and what is the main causes of global warming, and also the slogans write on plant a tree or protection trees, and also global warming to write down a slogans, and also the pamphlet prepare for the global warming is asking in SSC final exam. So this is the 4th lesson is very important for the first paper in 4 marks question and 2 marks question and 1 mark question. What is the main difference and climate and weather? What is the elements and what is the climograph and what is mean global warming AGW? This is the 4th climate of in India.